Hey guys, this is Ryan with another tutorial for you today. We're going to be talking about how to fix Google Meet's camera failed error sign. So if you're in the middle of a meeting, this will happen sometimes when your camera fails and it will say camera failed, or say you're trying to log into a meeting and your camera isn't even working whatsoever. Sometimes Google Chrome or other browsers kind of mess around with your ability to be seen and use your webcam. So we're going to start. I've already pulled up a um, Google Meet right here, and I'm the only one in it, but obviously you see that my camera and my microphone aren't working. So what you're going to want to do before you even start to mess with your browser is you are going to want to see if any other programs that would use a webcam are running. So I'm going to just go up to my top left-hand corner. I'm on Mac. Go to Force Quit. And what Force Quit lets us do is it actually shows us all the applications that are running. So I would scan this list. Sometimes this can be a lot longer. And it will say Google Chrome, QuickTime Player, whatever apps you are running. In this list, no applications are running that would actually be using the webcam. So applications that would use the webcam would be Skype or Zoom, just other, maybe Photo Booth if you're on a Mac, other ones that would kind of take over the webcam and not let Google Meet use it. And so if that is the case, where you find one of those apps, what you're going to want to do is click on the app and then click Force Quit. But since that's not the case for me, I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to just kind of close out of this window. And the next thing I want to do is I want to check and see if my browser is updated. Sometimes browsers out of date will kind of cut off permissions for using your webcam. So I'm going to go to my browser settings. I'm on Google Chrome, so I'm going to click these three dots, go all the way down to Help, and then click About Google Chrome. That's going to open up a new tab, and this window right here, if you're in Google Chrome, will let you know if you need to update. So it looks like this is all kind of updated here. This will tell you the number, and if it's not updated, it will give you kind of a signal to say click on update. But that looks like we're all updated, so there's nothing for me to do here. So I'm going to close out of this tab. The last option is going to be to go up to the icon in your bar and just see if for some reason your camera permissions have been disabled. Sometimes this can happen mid-meeting, sometimes this can happen accidentally from your browser, who knows why. So we're going to go up to here, we're going to click on this, and let's see what it says here. And so, yep, looks like camera is blocked, and it says this page has been blocked from accessing your camera, which, like I said, can happen for a number of reasons. So we're going to go up to always allow google.com to access your camera. So I'm going to click on that, and it's kind of locked into what camera I want. I'm going to click done. All right, so here we go. It says Google Chrome would like to access the camera. I'm going to hit OK. It says allow me to use your camera and microphone. So we're kind of back, we're back in action here. So it's going to say dismiss. So if I want to turn my camera on, I'm just going to go down here and it should work. There we go. I have my camera blocked right now, and then I can turn my audio on as well. So we are back in action. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.